Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys don't know already, welcome back to another vlog. Hello. So it is, say hey Mars. I don't think y'all can see her.
I can see.
You see?
Hello.
So it is the day after Christmas, y'all. I'm so happy to be off the day after Christmas. I just feel like let people recover. I've never been off the day after Christmas, but I guess companies is trying a new thing. I don't know, but let people recover, because what the hell? I don't know, I just feel like starting a new vlog. Y'all just gonna spend the day with me and my family. It's a nice rainy day.
Mommy.
And what, baby?
Yeah, Happy Meal today.
Okay, that's fine. 2025. I want to start getting stuff together for my vision board, because I made a vision board. I don't know how old it is. I don't know if I had this vision board last year or the year before. I can't remember, but I do know that I just want a fresh one. I want a new one, a new look. So I need to start getting stuff together for my vision board. My birthday is coming up. I don't even feel like talking about that right now, but my birthday is coming up on the 16th of January, so that's that. And yeah, like I said, we're just ready to move on from Christmas. But we're about to go to McDonald's and get this girl a Happy Meal, because Jesus, that's all she ever wants. So she got one of these ukuleles for her for Christmas. Jesus. And that's the background music we have. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star acoustic. But y'all, Jessica came to freaking McDonald's and tried the McRib. It says false advertisement because it's literally just a burger patty with some barbecue sauce on it.
I've been all over the world. It's the finest wine.
Yeah, second question.
Hey y'all, just checking in. It's later, like I'll say about 3 hours later. I'm washing my clothes. I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm at my sister's best friend house. Carrie, if you're watching, hey girl, thank you for letting me use your washer and dryer. Here, Mari, say what you got to say to the camera.
Hello, everyone. We had to go to Carrie's house. So I had to go to the grocery store today. I eat Happy Meal today. And so for the nap today. So that's cozy. So that is toys. So I play it. So I lost my ring. So I look at my ring, everyone. That's my backpack today. So,
see everybody writing her a letter.
So that's my backpack today.
Thinking that she finna get married.
I got really all these toys today. So I was really tired today.
Okay, and then say, I'm gonna talk to you guys later, and give them a kiss.
Bye bye, see you later.
Come on. Hey y'all, Mari wish we were at Target, but so I came to Trader Joe's. I'm here for two things. One is the hash browns, and two is the birria taco. So I'm here for two things, and those are my two things. So she's irritated right now because she would much rather be at Target getting toys, but instead she's here with me getting valuable things like food. So they already know what to do, baby. Right here in the front. Hold on, let me get a basket because the princess don't be holding stuff in her hand. Come on now. Okay, so she said she want to try this. I'm gonna let her get a snack out of here because why not, you know? Yeah, these the hash browns. What, baby? Okay, we're finna go like really soon. These the hash browns, y'all. Trader Joe's has the best hash browns, hands down. Y'all know I am a HEB girly, hands down, through and through. But Trader Joe's, they got the hash browns. Okay, y'all. Y'all hear that, Jolene? Period. Anyways, I'm raising a beehive. Hello. But I'm in Kroger right now, and I'm getting the Italian sausage because I want to make rigatoni tonight. And I've never made rigatoni, but it's been going around, and I'm like, it's like a Carbone, I guess, famous dish. But they sell the sauce at the grocery store, so I don't know how authentic it is. But whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna try it. I want to try the hot, like spicy Italian sausage one, but since I have a kid, Mari likes spicy food, but I've never tried, Mari, come here. I've never tried Italian sausage ever, like in my life. At least I've never cooked with it, so I don't know how spicy it is. I will need to try it on my own to gauge how spicy it is, because she will eat spicy food, but if it's something she can't handle, she's not going for it. So I wrote me a list. Let me get my list out actually. Deodorant, because I didn't get that. Mark, oh, you're right there. I got deodorant. Okay, I'm in the cold section. It's over here at the cold section. Got heavy whipping cream, got the hash browns. Paper towels is right here, so I'm gonna get the paper towels, and then I'm gonna stay on the cold side so I can get my cheese and I can get my breakfast meat. Come on, Princess, let's go.
Hello everyone. If you go to the grocery store and whatever the rise up in video and rise up. Bye bye.
Hey y'all, so back home. Guess we could do like a little grocery haul. I got these Jingle pretzels. Marty said she wanted to try it. We popped these open in the car and they're actually really good. So, oh shit. Large pretzel twist covered in peanut butter candy coating, topped with candy dark coated chocolate gems and the JoJo's cookie bites. So it's really good. Some chips for just like her lunch. I got the Italian sausage for my rigatoni. All right, and then this is the famous pasta, the spicy vodka from this restaurant Carbone. I think it's like what, like a famous restaurant in Miami. So got that. I got two not bottles, two, what am I trying to say? What are these called? Jars. I got 2 jars of these. These was $8.99 a piece. That's a little expensive for pasta sauce, but I hope it's worth it. We got some bananas. We got, Mari wanted a new toothbrush, so I bought her a new toothbrush.
I like a toothbrush.
I know. We got bread. She asked for a race car. I got her the race car. Here you go.
I like race cars.
It was just $1. Some Mexican blend cheese, because I'm just always using shredded cheese. So yeah. Then I got some mozzarella for my dish tonight. I got some broccoli. I didn't ask you. I don't think I'm gonna cook broccoli with my pasta tonight. I think I'm just gonna eat the pasta and call it just call it a day. But just for future meal preps, I got some bacon. Oh Lord, I got some bacon, because y'all know that bacon and broccoli salad that's been going around. I tried the HEB version and it was good, but I know if I cook it myself, it would be even better. So I got me some bacon for breakfast and for that, you know, that dish. I got the rigatoni noodles. Y'all know that's what the pasta is called, rigatoni. I got 2 boxes of that. I might not need 2 boxes, but hey, if I don't, we're gonna eat another type of rigatoni throughout the week. I got some biscuits. I got, oh my god, I got this candle. Yes, I got this candle. So I was watching who live I was watching? Goddamn Zoe. I was watching his live and he was talking about this candle that he got at Kroger. And he said like it smells so good. It's like it makes his home just smell like a fresh hug. And that's what I get from it. It's called Pink Amber. And it said Kroger. So yeah, it's a very light scent, but I'm sure burned this smells gorgeous. And it's big. It's pretty tall, so it's a lot to burn. This is 19 ounces and this was $9.99. So I'm excited to see how that candle burns. I've never bought a candle from Kroger, so I'm excited about that. I got another jar of the Carbone. Mari likes apple, so I got her apple to either eat in the morning or to take with her to at her lunch. Oh, deputies and crack, because he was upside down. I got some eggs. They were upside down in the bag over there on the counter. I hope they didn't crack. Okay. Eggs are good. And then I got some croissants for breakfast and just when I want, you know, whatever. And then I also got me some Celsius. I keep these in my house for when I'm just dedicated to getting that night workout in. I need a little help. So we got Celsius. The peach vibe is like one of my favorite flavors, so I just got 2 of those. And then from Trader Joe's, I showed y'all I got the organic heavy whipping cream, which I'm gonna use tonight. And then I got the famous Vidya tacos This is so good. If you haven't tried it, y'all need to go to Trader Joe's and try it. It's so goddamn good. And I only had it one time, and I remember it from that one time. So, y'all, it's so good. And then I got my favorite, y'all. I haven't had this in months. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in months. Y'all, the Trader Joe's hash browns are the best hash browns, hands down. I don't care. I don't care. They are the best. And we're gonna talk, you know, frozen. But yeah, that is my little grocery haul. So I'm gonna put this stuff up. I'm gonna take a shower really quick.
You're not taking the shower.
I'm gonna take a shower really quick, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna get to cooking our pasta.
Whoa, I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew. How many bodies you got? Pray it ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some lanes when you was young and in school. He had to pop your cherry, but I got it wet like a pool. She got a new G-Wag, she wanna hit highlight room and show it off. Got a new body, girl, show it off. It's a Brazilian, I know it's all. Toned up and she got a six-pack. Look like she used to play volleyball. American Express, you can have it all. Code to the safe, you can have it all. Fuck your main page, what's your Finsta? I wanna know the real you. You started dancing to pay your tuition, girl, I wanna know what you been through. You want a boutique or you wanna sell hair? Just let me know what you into. If you out in public and he want your number, just tell him my nigga spin you.
The way you make me feel these days. Some getting dry for your baby girl. Smoke a nigga top for your baby girl. Burn somebody block for your doorway. You make me feel these days. Coming out my body for your baby girl. Wipe them like the snotty for your baby girl. Coming out my body for you. Damn, just turned on the news and seen that man who never got pussy in school and making laws about what women could do. I gotta protect you. I'm a made man, tied in all the way, baby, so I gotta respect you. Niggas put hands on you in the past, insecure because your body is pressure. 4 words when I think about them is crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. 8 words when I think about us is fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Disrespect, yeah, I smack them. The texts you say in the captions, the videos we got ever leak, we going viral or going platinum. Don't worry about your friend's story when I had her alone. She gon' try and put some extras on to take you out of your zone. You know how it goes when they can't get a reservation up in Carbone. They gon' tell you it's a chill night, tell you how they rather stay home. Yeah, jealous assholes, yeah. And I know what I said about being in vogue, but just like that R&B group from the 90s, girl, one call, I'll get you in vogue. One call, you in runway shows. One call, I'm sitting front row. One raw call from your ex nigga saying dumb shit or get him sent home. One call and my niggas 10 toes, down to go wherever I say go. Even if we gotta travel across the globe, down and take it to the end of the road. For real. The way you make me feel these days. Some getting dry for your baby girl. Smoke a nigga.
Okay, hey you guys. So I'm done cooking. Here's my bowl. It's how it looks. I just sprinkled a little bit of mozzarella on top. And yeah, so I actually tasted it already when I gave it to Mari, but I didn't put cheese on Mari's. So I'm gonna try it with the cheese on mine. That's really good. I poured me a glass of wine too. I had a really good day today. Today was so like relaxing yet like slightly productive. I vlogged, you know, I woke up early and I cleaned. Today was just a really good day. It was a Thursday, the day after Christmas, but it felt like a Sunday reset for me. Like I was just really in the mood to cook myself a dinner. I got on my cute little PJs. Well, they're not the cutest, but they're really comfortable. So got on my comfortable little PJs. And yeah, my daughter over there full watching Peppa Pig, about to go to sleep. And I'm about to get in the bed and rub my feet together and watch TikTok. I'm feeling this wine too, y'all already know. I went back to my roots with this one. The Menage a Trois sweet blend, sweet red blend. So good, and it's like 9% alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this bottle tonight.
That's
Just cheers to a good day. What?
That's